Speaking to media person Shri Saleng Sangma said that there are a lot of issues in ADCS and one of the main concerns in GHADC is the fact that many of the employees are not getting their salaries for 3 years now, expressing awe about the sincerity of the workers who works tirelessly without salary. He said if it is for 6 months maximum, it is still understandable, but for more than 2 years, it is impossible to even think how they survive. Furthermore, he said there is something wrong in the system itself and this has to be corrected.
But looking at the situation right now of the district council, I don't feel like putting much candidate. Maybe I might put 2, 3 like that, just for, being a national party, at least we have to be there, just to feel the presence only. Do I have to tell you the reason? You have already seen, it's already 3 years, the salary cannot be made. And then I was a bit surprised. How come people can work for 3 years without the salary? I think there is something wrong inside the district council itself. Because you see, working without the salary for 3 years, it's impossible. Even for any common man to work. So there is something wrong inside. Not only with the MDCs or the executives, but something wrong inside the institution itself. Otherwise, working without salary, maybe one can go for 2, 3 months or maybe 5 months, maximum for 6 months maybe. But after that, people will definitely give up. For a common man to work for 6 months without salary, system itself has got something, something wrong in the system itself. So that need to be corrected. If not there, just imagine the salary could not be paid. That means definitely something is wrong. That educated people who can really drive over, the system to correct it. We don't need uneducated people to be there. So we need some educated, learned person who, can cleanse this whole system. Otherwise, putting all the blame every now and then with the MDCs, and it's the people who voted for the MDCs. So this is totally wrong to blame any executives.
But why?
No, right now, you see, I'm totally alone, even in the whole Meghalaya. Now, I have to know where I stand, Just by saying all these things doesn't mean that I can change it directly. But you need the people's support to do so. And moreover, I don't have much capacity, especially financially, to put all the candidates in every corner of the Meghalaya. I mean, the Garo Hills, as for now. You see, everything depends on money. It circulates, revolves around the money itself. So during the election, if I put somebody, definitely I have to help them. And moreover, for this district council election, I'm not getting much support from the Delhi. So that way I cannot assure to give. That's why I'm saying that maybe I might put 2 or 3 or maybe more. But right now I cannot, say precisely how much I do.